What's up, guys? It's your boy Michael Hecker, professional BKFC fighter. I just got my package in from BluefitMD, the #1 source for pharma-grade peptides, the best quality in the industry. Don't go to the black market. Get it from my guys at BluefitMD. Protect yourself. Know what you're putting in your body. Today, I'm going to be reconstituting my Retatrutide. I have a 10 milligram vial. I need to be doing about 1 milligram per week, which I'm going to mix 1 milliliter of bacteriostatic water to the 10 milligram vial. And I'm going to be pulling it to the 10 unit mark, which will give me just about 1 milligram of the Retatrutide per week. Just shoot it once a week right in your stomach. But I've got my bacteriostatic water. Let me get the peptide open. Here we go. Retatrutide, BluefitMD, right there. First, I already did it, but wash your hands. Make sure your hands are nice and clean. Go ahead, pop the top off the vial. Boom, boom. Grab one of your cleaning swabs that come with your peptides of every order from BluefitMD. Make sure you use code HECK if you go shop. Go ahead, wipe the tops off the vials. Get them nice and good. Make sure everything we put in our body is nice and clean. If you have gloves, you can go ahead and put those on as well. And we're going to open up our syringe here. Open up the drawing needle. So this is a 1 milliliter syringe. So I'm going to fill the whole syringe up with the water. Go ahead, uncap that. Take it, put it just like this, right in the top. I push air into it, that way the water just goes in nice and easy. It usually does regardless, so not necessarily something I like to do. And Retatrutide is a GL3, so it's got 3 different mechanisms that help you lose weight. We've got our water. Now we're going to take our vial. You want to be careful with our peptides because they are sensitive. So I like to just put it in the top and then tilt it towards the side and just kind of let it run down the side. You get all that in there. Go ahead, pull this out. Go ahead, put the cap back on this needle. Put that away. Go ahead, throw that into your sharps container. And then we're just going to take the mixed Retatrutide and just swirl it around just like this. Like I said, peptides are sensitive, so you don't want to shake them up too much. You don't want to mess with them too much. But there we go. Our Retatrutide is fully mixed. But that is how you reconstitute peptides from BluefitMD. Super easy, simple process. Get your meds right. Again, if you need quality pharma-grade peptides, hit up my guys at BluefitMD.com. They can walk you through the whole process, kind of explain everything for you, and they'll take care of you. They'll get you what you need. So get healthy, get fit, go shop at BluefitMD. Use code HECK for a nice discount, and tell them I sent you.